Exiled for 14 years, Lord Ram waged war in Lanka to rescue Sita from Ravana's captivity. Today, victory won. The journey home to Ayodhya begins. The Pushpak of Vimana is prepared for the journey to Ayodhya.
Time to go home, my lord.
Yes, finally home. The path is clear?
Ayodhya awaits us.
FC Zoo Assembly, Engineering Fee, Setup Fee, Shipping, Anti-Dump Duty, Customs Handling, Surcharge, IGST, White Labeling.
Assembly, engineering fee, 2 Polish stencil, prototype premium, Gerber file review, fine pitch fee, AOY inspection, shipping by road, GST.
Don't worry. I found a solution. CECA, 4-hour delivery confirmed.
CECA?
In India, CECA's advanced facility springs into action. AI-driven precision, aerospace-grade quality. 4-hour delivery promise.
Array, what is this flying box? Ramji, even deliveries are modern now. I need an upgrade.
Made in India, CECA FCU 400.
Thank you, CECA.